Hello children, in this lesson we will learn how to use an apostrophe. Apostrophe means this symbol. Okay, apostrophe to indicate possession. So there are three rules. One for singular nouns and two for plural nouns. So first for singular nouns. I am taking an example. The house of Mohan. So how we will change it into possessive form? We will interchange them. Mohan and house. Mohan house. Now place an apostrophe and s. Apostrophe and s. Now it has been changed into possessive form. Okay. Mohan's house. So two rules are there for plural nouns. Number one, the possessive case of a plural noun that ends in s is formed by adding only an apostrophe. Okay, so let's understand it. The hostel of girls. Okay, so in this case girls is a plural noun, है ना? And it ends with s. So these kind of nouns, how we will convert it into possessive? We will interchange girls hostel. Okay, girls hostel, and now we will only place an apostrophe after the word, after the noun. We will not add s. Why? Because s is already included in the noun, right? So the hostel of girls, girls apostrophe hostel, girls hostel, right? Now second rule, the possessive case of a plural noun that does not end in s is formed by adding apostrophe s. Okay, some you know about some nouns, they don't take s in their plural form. Okay, take a look. Books of children. Books of children. Okay, so it is a plural noun but it don't take s. So how we will convert it into possessive? Children books. We will place apostrophe and s, just like we did for singular nouns. Okay, same. Children's books. Now we will change these phrases into possessive form using apostrophe. Okay, so the helmet belonging to Sachin, it means this is Sachin's helmet. Okay, so because it is singular noun, Sachin apostrophe s and helmet. The helmet belonging to Sachin means it is Sachin's helmet. Number two, the gift for Sonam. So because this the gift is for Sonam, so it is Sonam's gift, right? Sonam's gift, apostrophe s, because these are singular nouns. Now number three, the story written by Ruskin Bond. Because this story is written by Ruskin Bond, it means it is his story. So this story is Ruskin Bond's story. This is Ruskin Bond's story. So children, now we will change the following groups of words into their plural form. Okay, so you see that baby and lady are in singular number. So we will change them into plural form. So plural of baby is babies, right? And plural of lady is ladies. So how we will convert it? The babies apostrophe. Okay, because what we had learnt that for singular noun we will place apostrophe and s both. Okay, and for plural nouns that ends with s, keep in mind that ends with s, we will take only apostrophe, we don't use s. So the baby's laughter, because there is no plural form of laughter. The lady's dress, so plural of lady is ladies, and we will place only apostrophe because it also ends with s. And ladies dress means एक लेडी है तो उसके लिए ड्रेस भी एक है, बट लेडीज इट मीन्स ड्रेसेस होंगे उसके लिए, राइट? सो ड्रेसेस, द लेडीज ड्रेसेस. So now this chapter has been completed. Hope you have learnt possessive nouns. So children, I hope you have understood the chapter well. Subscribe my channel for more videos related to academics and related to technology.